and welcome to this video tutorial where we'll learn how to use formulas to control dynamic visibility. In this example, we have a slider and some images that show or hide according to the value of the slider. And I'll show you how simple this is to do. Now, as we're in debug mode, I can open up the spreadsheet, and as I move the slider, you can see that the data in the yellow and orange cells is updating. The yellow cell contains the current value of the slider, and the orange cell contains a formula that is conducting a calculation using the slider value. And you can see how its content is changing in response to the slider value. So let's take a look at that formula. What we have is a set of if statements. So if the value of the slider is greater than 40, update this cell's contents to read A. If it's greater than 30, make it B, and so on all the way down to 0 and below. Above the slider is a series of graphics, with the source of their dynamic visibility properties bound to the orange cell. Now the top image will show if the formula's output is equal to A, so that's when the slider's value is greater than 40. But if I select the image that's on the bottom layer, this one will show if the formula's output is F, and this is when the slider value is 0 or below. And then all of the graphics in between have their dynamic visibility properties set similarly to show in sync with the intermediate values of the slider. So it really is that simple. Now, this isn't the only formula you can use, so try experimenting with your data and different formulas. The possibilities are endless, and with a bit of imagination, you can really start to make your Squirrel projects do some very clever things. And that's the end of this tutorial on dynamic visibility using formulas. If you'd like to learn more about using Squirrel, do take a look at our other tutorials and videos.